Welcome back to Kyle Paints Some Wheels and sand some fucking runs. I'm getting so tired of doing this. It's just, these runs are awful. You can see them. And you know what? I'm at the point where I don't give a shit, to the point where I'm gonna sand these runs out for sure. But if there's runs after, I don't care. I'm so tired of fucking with these wheels. I just want them on the car. I don't care if they're perfect. I care if there's some runs, yeah, but I just want them on the fucking car. I'm so tired of fucking with this. I'll fuck with this in 4 years when I get different wheels, maybe. But for now, I'm just so tired of this. So let's sand this god-awful runs. Yeah. And there goes the sandpaper. Just something I want to add to as why there was so many runs and why I fucked up so many times. It's because I focused too much on trying to spray these insides just by going across it, when I should have fucked with those first and then sprayed it as a whole. Yeah, more you know, just in case. Well, they're sanded, so I was getting ready to the paint, but I think I'll show you guys that I sanded the runs. Now they're not perfect. There's still possibly one or two, but I just told you what I told you earlier, so yeah, they're not clean. I need to clean them up a little better. But yeah, there's some elevation change there on that. Right off the bat, you can see this. I don't care. There's that. There's that. It's mainly just in these crevices. Not every one of them, but in them corners. I think there's a pink dot right here. That's about it. Focus. This camera's the worst for focusing, guys. I'm sorry. I think I might sand back that a little bit more, actually. Other than that, I'm done sanding. And I'm gonna make sure I paint these fuckers white, so I don't have to sand any more runs. But then I got clear coat to spray, and there's potential for that to fuck up. I'm just well over these. But I'm gonna try and make sure I can get them done. I say I'll cut corners, but I don't really ever let myself do that anytime I do it. But just get the paint ready, I guess. Alright, I'm using the absolute last bit of the paint here with this one. It wasn't even 4 parts, and there's some jelly bits in the fucking bottom of it that I've managed to pull out. But I got a funnel here that I used last time. Maybe it'll work. But let's get spraying, I suppose. Turn the air on. Oh, my fucking filter just went flying. Set the paint. Leave the camera. Grab the filter. Get the gun ready. Set you guys up better. There you go. Get that ready. Adjust that a little better. There you go. Put that in there. Stir the paint a little more. Yeah, you got it. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of windy out today. I probably shouldn't be doing this. But I've already mixed the paint, so I can't back out now. So let's just get on it. Having some issues getting this last little bit of paint because there's fucking jelly bits in the bottom. God, I hope this is enough paint too. Because I'm just gonna have to fucking sand it through. Oh God, paint's dripping on this shit. Alright. Here we go. To fuck it up again, probably. God, I hope not. That's as good as I'm doing because I'm gonna fuck it up. Other than that, I think it's good. Until we see in 3 days. So until then, catch you in 3 days when I check it out to fucking see if I'm ready to clear coat. I know I'm ready to clear coat on the other wheel, but this one needs to get done first because I want to do them at the same time. And even then, I'm not fucking done because there's scratches on the two that are on the car that I want to take off and just touch up a little bit. So, another day. Catch you guys on the next one.